What's up guys, how you doing? Jay coming at you another video. This time we have the unboxing of the iPhone X, or so-called the iPhone 10. Now, as you know, if you're watching my other videos, you'll see I go deep in analysis in every product I get, especially the Huawei Mate 10, which is the one I own. So what happened here, I spent a lot on this phone and I bought it for my wife, and as you can see, that's the iPhone 10, 265 gigabytes silver. So that's a lot of money, baby. And since I'm buying this to my wife, I bought this thing, the survival case. It can handle 1.2 meter of drop test, and it's actually certified for military standard 810G. So fear not of your phone to be dropped. Get this case and you'll be fine. You can give it, give it to anyone. Anyone who drops his phone, usually this phone is gonna survive with this case. Anyways, let's go with the unboxing. So I'm gonna open this phone and I'm gonna take this one, and I choose the silver option because ladies with white and silver, it fits. Okay, as you can see, it's beautiful. It's really beautiful, the design. Now if you guys watching the event of the Huawei Mate 20, you can go check it out. The design of the P20 is almost similar to the iPhone X. The curvature, as you can see on the sides, on the top as well, and the placement of the camera almost the same, but they added another third camera here for the Pro, so it can actually capture more lights and get more zoom. The differences between the design of the Huawei and iPhone X is this mute bottom here, which is actually considered, as you can see. So this one being adopted by the OnePlus family. So the OnePlus devices implemented this mute thing. They copied it from the iPhone, and as you know, Apple has been known for producing high quality phones and bringing the highest price with the highest value. So you're paying a lot, but you're actually paying for a premium phone with a premium service, of course. As you can see, this is the iPhone X unboxing, and yeah, it's a beautiful phone, to be honest with you, except people do not like the notch. That's what I'm noticing. Not everybody likes the notch. And let's see what else comes in the box. So we have a pair of headphones that's connected to USB-C. We have, lightning cable, not USB-C. I'm used to unbox many Android phones and I'm getting used to this USB-C, but this is the first time I'm unboxing an Apple device. So this is the lightning port, the USB, and we have the charger. So I don't think it's the fast charging, I think it's the normal charging. I think because Apple sell the fast charger separately. So yeah, that's what they get. What else we have? I don't think we have anything else. A little bit of paperwork. Let me see. Do they include the SIM ejector? Stickers, Apple stickers. Cool. Do they include this? Yeah, there you are. No, guys, marketing. Okay, you don't put your SIM ejector inside paperwork, so like this, Come on, Apple. You're trying to hide it. You should put it in the front. Like, should be like this. So I know, okay, you give me some value. I see value in front of me, not paperworks. People usually threw these paperworks. I didn't know they had a SIM ejector. So yeah, take notes, Apple. So we have a SIM ejector. And that's it. That's about it, guys. So this is the unboxing with the iPhone 10. It's a beautiful phone. It has a dual speaker. We're gonna test things out and we're gonna put it into work. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like the unboxing, if you have any suggestions for me, let me know in the comment section below. So please like and subscribe. See you guys later.